The text sounds confident, but fluent language does not guarantee correctness. Generative AI models are optimized to produce plausible language, not verified facts. That means incorrect information can still appear highly credible and convincing. So when you read AI generated text, the first question is not, does this sound convincing? The real question is, what would be most damaging if wrong? Confidence is easy to generate. Verification is what makes information reliable. When time is limited, verify the claims that could cause the most damage if wrong. Numbers are often invented. Citations may not exist, and causal claims can oversimplify complex relationships. Focus on these first. Once you know what to verify, the next step is a simple workflow. Verification should be treated as a loop. Generate a draft, verify the critical claims, and only then decide how to use it. Think of AI as a drafting assistant. First, generate a draft, then verify the key claims using reliable sources. Only after verification should the content be shared, cited, or published. Let's see what quick verification looks like in practice. Start by copying the sentence that contains the claim. Search for independent sources such as academic papers or official reports. Two reliable sources are often enough to detect confident misinformation. If no credible sources appear, treat the claim with caution. Verification helps us detect confident misinformation, but correctness is only part of responsible AI use. Even correct information can be misused, misinterpreted, or applied without proper accountability. In the next section, we move from verification to responsibility. Not only is it true, but also should it be used?